Michael, it's good to have the guys from HEL Remu and NuGreen here, especially with the exciting news that we're about to commission our solar farm. You know, as we all know, the E3 strategy that we have in terms of achieving our ambition across economic engagement and environment is important to us. It's actually super important, and I think if we focus on environment for a little bit, we've got some pretty bold plans globally, and we want to contribute to supporting the group to be carbon neutral by 2050. But I think if we take a closer look at New Plymouth and the New Zealand environment, we see ourselves being carbon neutral on scope 2, which is a big part of our target by 2030. And with the introduction of a PPA for the solar farm in conjunction with our partners, it gives us the opportunity to achieve that this year. And you know, you couple that with the purchasing of renewable energy, and all of a sudden we're looking at the end of 2024 as carbon neutral.
We're delighted with this project. Has been in the mix for probably 18 months, 2 years, so it's finally nice to get it, you know, very near to completion. We should sort of get there, I think, by the end of this month, which is excellent. And we'll come over to Callum in a moment at Remu, but it's been a very seamless installation so far. We've had good engagement with all the stakeholders, both in your business